Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix the Shopify sold out issue and solve live store inventory problems. If you've noticed products showing as sold out on your storefront, even though you have stock available, this tutorial will walk you through exactly how to resolve that and get your products back up for sale. First, head over to your web browser and type in shopify.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct store if you manage multiple shops. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. Take a look at the left sidebar where you'll see various navigation options. We're going to click on products in just a moment, but before we do that, let's actually verify the issue on your live store first. This way, you can see exactly what your customers are experiencing. On that same left sidebar, locate the option that says Online Store. Right next to it, you'll see a small eye icon. Click on that eye icon. This will open up your live storefront in a new tab, allowing you to browse your shop as a customer would. Now, take a moment to navigate to the product that's having the sold out issue. In my example, I can see that my white t-shirt is showing as sold out, even though I know I have inventory available. This is the problem we're going to fix. Now, let's head back to your Shopify admin panel. On the left sidebar, again, click on Products. This will take you to your product catalog where you can see all the items you're currently selling. From this list, locate and click on the product that's sold out. In this case, that's the white t-shirt we just looked at on the live store. Once you're inside the product page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Variants. This is a crucial section because it controls the inventory for each individual variant of your product, like different sizes or colors. Click on Variants to expand that section if it's not already open. Here's where the fix happens. You'll see an input field labeled Available for each variant. Right now, these fields are likely set to 0, which is why your product is showing as sold out. Go ahead and input the correct number of units you have in stock for each variant. If you have 10 white t-shirts in size medium, type in 10. Do this for every variant that needs updating. Once you've entered all the correct inventory numbers, click the Save button at the top or bottom of the page. Shopify will process these changes and update your inventory across the platform. Now, to confirm that everything is working properly, click the eye icon next to Online Store again to view your live storefront. Navigate back to the product page for the white t-shirt. You should now see that it's no longer marked as sold out and customers can add it to their cart. Your inventory issue is now resolved and your products are available for purchase again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.